Click on the link below to get price. The Dehumidifier Home Bedroom Mute Automatic Clothes Drying LED Touchscreen Dehumidifier is a remarkable appliance that has made a significant difference in my living space. From the moment I unboxed it, I was impressed with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. The LED touchscreen is intuitive, allowing for easy adjustments of settings, including humidity levels and fan speed. One of the standout features of this dehumidifier is its whisper-quiet operation. I placed it in my bedroom, and I almost forgot it was running. It operates at a low decibel level, which is essential for a good night's sleep. Unlike many dehumidifiers that can be disruptive, this one seamlessly blends into the background, making it ideal for nighttime use. Performance-wise, the dehumidifier excels at maintaining optimal humidity levels. In a matter of hours, it noticeably reduced the dampness in my room, which was a relief, especially during the humid months. The automatic clothes drying feature is fantastic. I can hang my laundry indoors without worrying about increased moisture in the air, as the dehumidifier efficiently removes excess humidity, allowing clothes to dry faster. The 1.5-liter water tank is another practical aspect. While it's not the largest, it is easy to remove and empty, which I appreciate. I've also noticed that the unit has a built-in auto shut-off feature that activates when the tank is full, ensuring it operates safely. In terms of energy efficiency, this dehumidifier is a winner. It consumes less power compared to other models I've used, which is a significant plus for anyone conscious of their energy bills. Overall, the Dehumidifier Home Bedroom Mute Automatic Clothes Drying LED Touchscreen Dehumidifier is an excellent investment for anyone looking to improve their indoor air quality. Its combination of effective moisture removal, silent operation, and energy efficiency makes it a top choice for both bedrooms and living spaces. Highly recommended.